Hello everybody. If you're a YouTuber, have you ever made anything and think, why didn't I video that? This is like one of the prettiest things I ever made. And I didn't video myself doing it. So I'll just kind of tell you how I did it. Okay, right here is the rice paper I'd ordered. And you might can read the details on that. I don't know. So I don't know if you can order them like from there or what, but this is who I got it from. I ordered that one from on eBay, and their name on eBay, where's it at, is Ion John. I don't know if there's a dash or anything. And so this is their card. It's got their website. Okay. www.pineconecrafting.com. I think you can see it good. It looks pretty good on there. Ain't that pretty? And so on here, oh, let me show you what this, I got the frame. It was a picture I got for $3.99 at thrift store, Goodwill probably. Okay, let me show you on my phone. That's the picture it was. The hangers are still in the wrong spot on the back. I still gotta move them. And it had like kind of texture right there and everything, which is fine. It don't show up. But ain't that a big difference if I get out of the light? Right here, well, I painted the whole thing that plaster color with the Waverly paint. Just the whole entire thing. And right here, while it was still wet, I believe, I just went over it with the pink Waverly. Kind of sloppy. You can see it ain't all blended together. And right there, you know, I just stressed it back just a little, not too much. Let's see, where's that spot? Right there. And right here, you know, that was painted, you know, the whole thing was painted with that plaster color. And then I done the little stencil. I don't know what color it is, that's not black. So that stencil you see here is under this rice paper. I just put a little bit there and a little bit of stencil there. Look at the pretty roses. And then I put this on, probably with school glue and water. I might use Mod Podge, I don't know. Can't remember. And then I went over the whole thing with the matte spray, clear spray. I forget which one I used. But I've talked about it in other videos. The one that's really matte and really stinky. And is that beautiful or what? For $3.99. And see, that's one thing when you're looking at pictures, even though I had no use for the leopard picture, you know, it's got this detail and then it's got this extra detail. And with rice paper, you can be an artist, you know. I mean, that's beautiful. So I just wanted to share that. I'm excited about the rice paper, and I'm going to get to making some more things with it soon, I hope, because I got a lot of them. I had ordered a bunch of them at one point. So I got a lot of them to work with. But anyway, I hope you liked the video, and hit the like button if you did. And thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.